In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download NinjaTrader. First, you will want to open a web browser on your computer. This can be any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. When you open the browser, you will see the familiar address bar at the top. This is where you will enter the NinjaTrader URL. Starting with a reliable web browser ensures a smooth experience. You can trust that it will load the necessary pages correctly. Next, go to the official NinjaTrader website by typing in the URL https://account.ninjatrader.com/welcome. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, you will see options for logging in or creating a new account. This step is crucial because you need access to your NinjaTrader account to download the software. Now, sign in with your existing NinjaTrader account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create a free one. Click on the link that allows you to register. Enter the required information such as your email address and a secure password. Remember, using a strong password is important for keeping your account secure. Once you have entered your details, click the Sign Up button. This will grant you access to the desktop download necessary for the next steps. After signing in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, look for the option that says Download or Download Desktop Platform. Clicking this will initiate the download process. This is a simple action, but it is vital because you need the installer file to proceed. Watching the progress bar as the download begins can be reassuring, knowing that you are one step closer to using NinjaTrader. Once the file has finished downloading, locate the installer file on your Windows computer. This file is often found in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to run it. A prompt may appear, asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. This confirmation ensures that the installation process can continue without interruptions. Now follow the on-screen instructions to install NinjaTrader. The installer will guide you through each step, making it easy to complete. Pay attention as the installer may require Microsoft.NET Framework version 4.8 if it is not already installed on your computer. This framework is essential for running NinjaTrader smoothly. If prompted, you can download and install it directly from the link provided. When the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. At this point, you can launch NinjaTrader by finding its icon on your desktop or in your Applications menu. Click to open the program and prepare to log in with your account credentials. This is an exciting moment as you are about to access powerful trading tools and features. Additionally, it's worth noting that NinjaTrader offers a web platform. This platform allows you to trade directly in your browser without needing to install any software. All you require is a supported browser and a NinjaTrader account. This option can be convenient for users who prefer a quick and easy way to trade without additional installations. Finally, keep in mind that NinjaTrader's desktop platform is free to download. It includes a range of features such as charting, strategy backtesting, and simulated trading. These tools are essential for anyone looking to enhance their trading experience. Now that you've downloaded and installed NinjaTrader, you are ready to explore all it has to offer.